Good morning. I'm here to tell you that our world is about to change. Dramatically. Not just incrementally, but fundamentally. Imagine a future where AI isn't simply a tool. It's your partner in personal growth, guiding you like a spiritual mentor. Picture a world where the 9 to 5 grind vanishes, replaced by passion projects and universal income, freeing us to create, explore, and innovate. Now close your eyes and visualize plugging your mind directly into a global hive of shared thoughts, ending isolation at the speed of a synapse. And why stop there? Instead of paying for rigid universities, you slip on a headset and attend immersive, world-class lectures in your living room. Long life? How about living to 150, thanks to nanotech and AI-driven medicine? But here's the kicker. In this brave new world, we also need offline reflection zones, intentional escapes from tech to reconnect with our humanity. Borders? They'll blur, dissolving into virtual embassies and decentralized governance, and the word normal will be archaic, replaced by a universe of infinite possibilities. Finally, we'll stretch beyond Earth, staking our claim among the stars. Because the future isn't about conquering technology, it's about becoming it, and in doing so, discovering who we truly are. Welcome to tomorrow.